I've been wrenching since I was 16, so that's 11 years of experience, and I've learned a little bit here and there in those 11 years, but 8 weeks at Matrix, I have learned more than in all those 11 years. It's just unbelievable. I'm so happy. It actually revived my interest for getting into automotive, because I was starting to lose interest because I wasn't learning like I wanted to. Everyone wanted me to learn through books and stuff like that. That's not how I learn. I learn through hands-on, and that's what this program is, and it was perfect for me. And honestly, I think that's how a lot of people are. They don't want to read books and whatnot. They want to have hands-on experience. I've stayed plenty of times after class, asking extra questions, and everything, and they're here to help, and they prove it.